Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to give a small twist to the popular Gujarati snack Khandvi. So let's start making it. Take medium-sized half a beetroot and chop them into small chunks. And now I'm going to transfer that into a mixie jar and I will grind it into smooth puree. Our puree is ready, so keep this aside. Now into a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of besan and same amount of sour curd, that is 1 cup. Mix it a little bit and then add beetroot puree, that was about half a cup. Next, with the help of hand mixer, mix everything well together. You can see nice bright pink color of khandvi batter. Next, take 1 cup of water into mixie jar so that you can use leftover puree and add that into the mixture. Add salt to taste. Next, take 1 green chilli and a small piece of ginger, grind it and add that into the mixture. Now add half a teaspoon of hing and mix everything well together. Our khandvi batter is ready here. So take a pan in which you are going to make your khandvi. Make sure to use white pan. And now sieve the mixture. This will ensure that there are no lumps left in our batter. And this will also remove the extra piece of green chilli and ginger and the batter will be nice and smooth. Now place the pan onto stove top and start cooking the batter on low to medium heat. Make sure to stir it continuously so that the batter doesn't stick on the bottom. After cooking for about 4 to 5 minutes, you will notice that the batter has started getting thicker. At that point of time, be extra careful because the batter can easily stick to the bottom and sides and it is gonna ruin all of your khandvis. Just keep on continuously stirring the batter. If you have silicone spatula, then I will highly recommend to use that because that will ensure that your batter is not sticking on the sides or bottom, and it will also help to scrape the sides easily. It has been 12 to 13 minutes that I'm cooking this batter on medium flame. You can see that the batter is nice and thick now. So at this point of time, take small amount and spread it onto a plate. Let it sit for 30 seconds and try to remove it. If it comes out easily from the plate, then it means the batter is ready to roll the khandvis. If not, then cook it for extra minute and then check it again. You can see the batter is easily coming off from the plate. So now our batter is ready to roll khandvis. Turn off the stove. Now take some amount and spread the batter onto a silicone mat. And now with the help of food scraper, I'm going to spread the batter evenly onto a silicone mat. If you don't have silicone mat, you can use any stainless steel plate or you can also spread it on baking tray. And you have to be very quick here as the batter will cool down very quickly and then you won't be able to spread it evenly. So you can take someone's help here if you can. And now spread the batter as thin as you can. Similar manner, I'm going to spread the batter onto baking tray as well. And now let it cool down completely before you start rolling rolls out of it. And now cut into equal sized stripes. Remove the extras from the side so you will have equal sized khandvi rolls. And now start rolling out the khandvi rolls. You can see our khandvi rolls are coming off really easy and they are equally nice and shiny. That's the sign of perfect khandvi. And similar way make other rolls. Now let's make tempering for our rolls. So take around 2 tablespoons of oil into a small pan. Once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds and let it splutter. Also add hing, some white sesame seeds, curry leaves and green chilies. Now spread it onto khandvi rolls. Also garnish it with some dry coconut on the top. And our khandvi rolls are ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If so, don't forget to leave your suggestions and comments in the comment section box below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you soon.